2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play I Kissed the Girl acoustic version. This works nicely on the acoustic. So let's get on with it. Get an A minor. Song is an A minor. First finger, second, third. And then we want to move to a B over C. So you keep your first finger where it is and add your second finger on second fret A. To C major. First finger, second finger, third finger. D minor, first, second, third. F major, I play F like this, first, second, third, pinky, and E minor. Let's play E minor from the A string, so just like we normally do it, but don't play the low E. So that's pretty much the chords for the verses and the chorus. Let's check out the switching and then the right hand. 1, 2, 3, A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, B over C, C, D minor, F, E minor, A minor, B over C, C, D minor, F, E minor. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the strumming. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. D minor, F, E minor, B over C, C. And when we get to the chorus, we're gonna go A and break, C and break, D minor and break, and then F, E. We do a push on the F, D, push, 1, 2, second verse. Kissed a Girl. Cool. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll be back tomorrow with more awesome hits. And please be safe. See you soon. Thank you.